Well, we're continuing to track that frosty start this morning. Again, a lot of us dropped right around that freezing mark here as we cooled off pretty nicely this morning. But we'll try to turn these numbers around pretty quickly with a little bit of sunshine here for our Friday and a bit of a breeze out of the west. Temperatures topping out in those upper 50s to near 60 degrees. It's going to be pretty similar of a type of day than what we were tracking yesterday afternoon. As we get into tonight, though, it's going to be a little bit different, a little warmer here. As we get into Friday night into Saturday morning, temperature is not going to be nearly as chilly, and that'll kind of get us off and running as we get into our Saturday itself. Looking at Sports Zone football Friday, again, it's pushed back a day. It's on Saturday. Heading down to Rockbridge High School tomorrow as Bruins host the Cupies from Hickman. The Providence Bowl, it's going to be a windy one. That's going to be a big problem here across not only football games, but just in general here as we get into the first day of this weekend. Those wind gusts getting up around 40 to 45 miles an hour tomorrow. Wouldn't be terribly surprised to see a gust get beyond that a little bit as we get into tomorrow as well. So those winds out of the southwest, that carries in that warmer weather. It's also going to dry us out too as we get into this afternoon. So National Weather Service has issued that fire weather watch for the entire viewing area. That's for Saturday. Again, advising strongly against burning anything outdoors as we get into the first day of this weekend. Getting into Sunday, maybe starting to see a little bit of a change here, at least moving in the right direction and trying to move some of those dry conditions out of here. Temperature is going to be a little cooler, though, with some of those rain chances moving back in. Latest round of future tracks still keeping that rain around as we get into Sunday itself, the second day this weekend. Again, a little more widespread, a little more meaningful rainfall. Looks like it's going to be in store as we get into the second day this weekend. By Monday, we could be seeing a bit of a break, but we're going to keep those rain chances around. It's going to depend on how things shake out, the fine details that we're still looking to kind of iron out as of right now. But those rain chances stick with us not only Monday into Tuesday, and it looks like they're going to stick around as we get into Wednesday as well, which is good news because we kind of desperately need it at this point. Latest run of rain tracker, though, again, still saying about a half an inch to an inch of rainfall. So that'll put a dent in some of those dry conditions we've been tracking for the better part of the last couple of weeks. And like I mentioned, we kind of need that here at this point. But those rain chances, the fine scale details, the timing and the intensity of that, still working on those as we get through this weekend. But we're going to keep those chances around Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday and Thursday. It looks like we got a bit of an active weather pattern trying to take shape next week. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, well, that active weather is going to keep us on the cool side of things, too, with temperatures topping out in the upper 50s. Some of us sneaking into the low 60s, though, next week.